Hi everyone, welcome to Math Academy. In this video, we're going to solve a logarithm equation. We are given 2 times log of 15 in base 3 to the power 3 equals minus 6 times log of 5 in base 3 to the power 3 times log of 15 in base 3 plus log of x in base 3 to the power 3 plus 1. And I'm going to find the value of x. To solve this problem, I'm going to isolate log of x in base 3. So I move 1 and these terms to left hand side. Now look at the exponents. There are 3 and 2. So we can use the algebraic identity that their exponent is 3. A plus b all to the power 3 and a minus b all to the power 3. By add these two terms, we get a plus b all to the power 3 plus a minus b all to the power 3 equals 2 times a cubed plus 6 times ab to the power 2. Now look at the coefficients. There are 2 and 6. By comparing these terms and these terms, we can let a equals log of 15 in base 3 and b equals log of in base 3, log of 5 in base 3. So we can use this equation and let a and b in this equation, and I get log of 15 in base 3 plus log of 5 in base 3 all to the power 3 plus log of 15 in base 3 minus log of 5 in base 3 all to the power 3 equals these two terms. That is same with these terms. So we can use these two terms and replace 2 log of 15 in base 3 to the power 3 plus 6 times log of 5 in base 3 to the power 2 times log of 15 in base 3 by these two terms. Now this is time to use logarithm rules. The first rule is product rules. This tells us log of x in base c plus log of y in base c equals log of x times y in base c. So we can write log of 15 in base 3 plus log of 5 in base 3 as log of 15 times 5 in base 3. Log of 15 times 5 in base 3 equals log of 17 5 in base 3. In the next step, these terms, by using the quotient rule, can be written log of 5 in log of 15 over 5 in base 3. The quotient rule tell us log of x in base c minus log of y in base c equals log of x over y. 15 over 5 equals 3, and log of 3 in base 3 equals 1. 1 to the power 3 equals 1, and plus 1 minus 1 is going to cancel out. And finally we get log of 17.5 in base 3 to the power 3 equals log of x in base 3 to the power 3. So we can say safely x equals 17.5. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and like.